Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller if it is not working, not being detected, or not responding correctly in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls on PC. We'll change the Steam input settings for the game and configure Steam for the type of controller you are using. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls. Right-click the game and select Properties. In the menu on the left, open the Controller tab. Find the Override for Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls drop-down menu. Select Enable Steam Input. Close the Properties window and launch the game. Check whether your controller is now working correctly. If the controller is still not detected, close the game and return to the same controller settings. Open the Override for Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls menu again. This time, select Disable Steam Input. Launch the game again and test your controller. Some controllers work better with Steam Input enabled, while others may only work correctly when it is disabled. Solution 2. Configure Steam Controller Support. If the controller still does not work, open Steam again. Click Steam in the upper left corner and select Settings. Open the Controller section. Click Show Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find External Gamepad Settings. Only change the setting that corresponds to the type of controller you are using. If you use an Xbox controller, find Steam Input for Xbox controllers and enable it. If it was already enabled and the controller still does not work, disable it and test the game again. If you use a PlayStation controller, locate PlayStation Controller Support. First, set it to Not Enabled. If that does not work, change it to Enable in games without support. Then, launch the game again and test the controller. If you use a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller, adjust the corresponding Steam input setting in the same way. Try enabling the option first. If that does not work, disable it and launch the game again. Xbox controller users can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver from the Steam controller settings. This optional driver may improve compatibility and support for Xbox controllers in certain games. Once you have finished changing the settings, close the Steam settings window. Launch Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls again and check whether your controller is now working properly. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix your controller if it is not working or not being detected in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls tutorials, controller fixes, and PC gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.